graduation! Magtutuga lang sila, guys. Oh, yung natanong ko na ngayon daw ang graduation, di alam ng lola.
Kala ko mamaya hapon.
Ah, ngayon ang graduation.
Ikaw na pupunta?
Asa na? Asa na yung dalawa eh? Nasa dulo kami kasi huli na kami dumating.
PTA officers, faculty staff of Pulang National High School.
May request everyone to our dear parents to please rise. Once again, to our dear parents, we request to please rise.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are witnessing the grand entrance of colors. Starting with the Pulang National High School Boy Scouts of the Philippines. PTA officers, faculty and staff of Pulang National High School.
As we witness the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance, we are filled with pride and joy for each and every one of our graduates. The theme of today's graduation ceremony reflects the essence of our Filipino youth: resilient, determined, and committed to building a better future for our nation. Today, we honor the graduates who have shown exceptional academic excellence, leadership skills, and a strong sense of community prescribed by the Bureau of Secondary Education, Department of Education. Ma'am, may I therefore request for your confirmation to these graduates.
By the power vested in me by the Department of Education to the school's division superintendent, Madam Fatima Aguado, and for the recommendation of your principal, Dr. Marisa Mahir of Pulang National High School, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed for senior high school education under the picture program. And in my capacity as education program supervisor of the school of Pangasinan, I hereby declare and confirm you graduates Batch 2024 of Pulong National High School. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations to our dear graduates. What about a resounding applause?
Once again, thank you so much.
upang sila iyong nakakita. At sa maraming salamat sa mga panahon na hindi ko ako pinabayaan. Kayo ang nagbigay ng lakas at pag-asa na pagpatuloy ang aking pangalaman. Noong mga panahon, nagsasawa na kayo at nais ninyo naman sinuko. Ang inyong mga magulang ang nagbigay ng inspirasyon upang patuloy na lumaban. Pagpasalamat kayo sa kanilang mga sakripisyo, sa walang sawang suporta. Pagpasalamat kayo sa kanilang pagmamahal at pag-aalaga. Okay, to give us this opportunity to have our photo-op by sections now.
Ngayon, wala na tayong masasakyan.
Okay, start tayo sa picture taking here on the stage, starting with our grade 12 PBLP with their proud advisors, Mr. Michael Gallardo and Mr. Ralph Conrad. Please come forward.
Okay, praise God for this wonderful celebration.
graduation. Kudos to all the advisors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Another 1, 2, 3. Waki, waki naman, waki. Alright, thank you, Rachel Nicholsi. Next.
Okay, move. Next. TBM2.
Lalas Cristela Ansorio with honors. Landini Bella with honors. Outstanding performance in electrical installation and maintenance and award for work immersion. Maligdam John Lawrence Fernandez with honors. Outstanding performance in computer system servicing, outstanding performance in communication arts, award for work immersion, and outstanding performance in journalism. Maligdam Oliver de la Cruz with honors, award for work immersion and award for research. Mamaril Jamela Sabangan with honors, award for work immersion, Governor's Academic Excellence Award. Mamaril Jessie Ian de Alacron with honors. Managlang Beverly Abarabar with honors, award for research, Governor's Academic Excellence Award, and Medal of Excellence. Managlang Lorenzo Francisco with honors, outstanding performance in
Charge of the Senior High School Department, Dr. To our confirming official, Dr. Lalaine C. Rosario,